Since you already clicked on this video, don't bother going anywhere else because you have found the best hardware ID spoofer on the market. And let me show you how the Divine spoofer works so you can get rid of your hardware ID ban. So you may be asking what a hardware ID spoofer is. Basically, a hardware ID spoofer spoofs all the serials on your computer, allowing you to play the game that you're banned on without an issue on a fresh new account. So here is this permanent spoofer features. As you can see, Divine permanent spoofer. Here are all the tested and working on games right now. As you can see, all of these games works on, and all of the error codes will be fixed after you use the permanent spoofer. There are a lot more games that are also works on that are not mentioned here. Basically, any game that hardware ID bans you, it will work on regardless. So we could just scroll down to the services. They have instant delivery for the spoofer on their website, 24/7 customer support, hardware ID unbanned guidance for all games, one-click unbans, automated IP ban fix, customer chat, and a customer hardware ID reset tool. And they also have permanent ACES spoofing and permanent disk spoofing, and the spoof even stays after reinstall, which a lot of providers don't have at all, and when they do have it, it may cause a delay ban because they do it incorrectly. So just choose Divine to avoid any of these issues and avoid any delay bans. Divine will never cause you a delay ban because it is the best spoofer on the market. Here are the prices for the permanent spoofer. They have two different variants. They have the one-time, which is a 72-hour license key for $25, and they have the unlimited usage lifetime key, which is forever, for $70. Now, the reason you would want to choose the lifetime over the one-time is if you are a cheater that wants to respoof anytime they get banned, because the lifetime key is forever. You can use it whenever you want. And the one-time is better for those who cheated and want to go back to playing legit and just want to get unbanned once. That is more optimal for those who just want to go back to playing legit. So even after your license key ends, the spoof will remain because it is a permanent spoof. And that's exactly why you want to choose Divine. So let me show you how to purchase the permanent spoofer now. You can either buy it through the ticket option in the Discord server. Link will be in the description of this video. You make the purchase selection in the ticket option, and a staff member will help you out with your purchase. Alternatively, for instant delivery, go to divinesheets.net. Click on the link in the description. You're going to be brought to this page. Scroll down until you see the permanent spoofer. Now, this is the permanent spoofer that I'm showcasing today, not the temporary one. The temporary one is different. This one only spoofs your hardware ID temporarily until your PC restarts. So you will have to use this every time you launch your PC. That's why the permanent spoofer is just a little better. That's why you want to choose this if you want a permanent solution and not a temporary solution. So the permanent spoofer, you click whichever variant that you want, either the one-time or the lifetime option. Like I mentioned before, you just simply press checkout, close that prompt out. Delivery email, you put in your email address. This is where your product is going to be sent to. Make sure you input the correct information, otherwise your product may be lost. So you don't want that. And you just choose your payment method. Simply choose from debit card or crypto on the website. If you don't see your preferred payment method, it is in the Discord server. They also accept PayPal and Cash App and other payment methods such as gift cards in the Discord. So make sure to check that out, make a ticket, and they will help you out with your purchase. So once you guys choose your payment method on the website, proceed to the payment, fill out your information, and the license key and the loader will be sent to you via email. And I'm going to be showing you how to set that up now. So let me show you how to do it. All right, guys, so I have everything installed, as you can see right here. So the first thing that you want to do before you spoof is open up the serial checker. You're going to receive the serial checker upon your purchase, so don't be worried about that. As you can see, all of my serial numbers are displayed here. The first thing you want to do is go to the taskbar, open up snipping tool, search that up, press new, and take a quick screenshot of your serials. Now we're going to just name it as banned serials /old. So we're going to be remembering that these are our banned serials. Actually, hold on. Old, and boom, save it just like that. It's going to save on our desktop, so we're going to be able to remember. Close that out. Now we're going to grab our license key for the spoofer. This is the license key you get after purchasing. Open up the Divine Perm folder, right click Divine Spoofer, and run it as administrator. Now once you run it as administrator, it's going to give us a prompt and ask us for our license key. You're just going to paste it in, and simply it's going to say license accepted. It's starting the spoof now. Very quick and simple. Everything is straightforward, so you should not be confused at all. So once it starts to spoof, it's going to take up to a few minutes depending on how fast or slow your PC is. That's why I'm going to be speeding this part up just a little bit so you guys don't have to wait that long. Make sure you do not touch anything during the spoofing process because you may interrupt it and it will mess it up. So just be careful and just follow the instructions. Alright guys, so spoofing is completed. Now it's going to ask us to restart our PC. I'm going to be doing exactly that. And once I return and after I restart my PC, I will be showing you that all of my serial numbers have changed. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So once you have simply restarted your computer, open up the serial checker once again. This is where our new serial numbers are displayed. So let's just put that to the side and open up the banned serial that we saved earlier. So let's just minimize it a little and we're going to put it to the side. So now that we have both of these on our screen, we're going to be comparing our serials and checking if it changed. So as you can see, the first one, motherboard serial number, it has changed successfully. These numbers are different. The volume serial number has also changed, and these numbers are different. The UID has also changed. All these numbers are different, and all the MAC addresses have also changed. This means that the spoof has worked, and we're good to move on to the next step. So simply go back to the Discord server. Link is in the description. Open up a ticket for the VPN bypass. The VPN bypass will help you bypass any IP restriction that you may have and help you avoid getting any delayed bans. So once you guys are done with that, you are good to go and you are unbanned from all your favorite games and you can go back to playing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out.